Hi, this is a video on the Anker Bluetooth selfie stick. I bought this product off Amazon and I'll show you how much I paid for it. And I bought this off Amazon and I paid $15.99 for it. $15.99. Now my wife wanted a selfie stick, so I looked at this one because I know Anker make great power banks, and so this has a built-in battery, and I know with Anker it's going to be something that will last. So I'll take it out to show. Just before I do that, I keep forgetting, let's go around the box to show you what the box is like. Obviously we got the Anker branding here, nothing on that side of the box. On the back of the box we have basically what it's stating. I'll bring that up to the camera. It goes industry leading technology, worry-free warranty, 99% feedback, discover more essentials for your mobile life, such as battery banks that they do, audio equipment that they do, and protection. So that's what you get. And we have a bit of writing on the bottom and a helpline support number and email support, and nothing at the top of the box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, as you open it, we get another box. We pull on that tab. Okay, and what we get, put that out of the way, and what we get is a micro USB to USB cable to charge. That cable is roughly about 12 inches, just over 12 inches long. And here is the selfie stick, and the selfie stick is very compact. I'd say that's my hand there. I've got medium-sized hands, and as you can see, it's probably about 6 inches long, 6 to 7 inches long. You get a lanyard attached to it, which is a good lanyard, not a cheap lanyard. It's very good. The input here for the USB cable to charge it. Some Anker branding there. Okay, so we've got the branding of the Anker there. We've got a nice rubber trim at the top and the adjustment screw here. So we'll open this out, and as you can see when we open it out, this is curved, so it's a curved holder. I'll try and zoom in on here if I can, but there's some writing in here which says Bluetooth selfie stick, and obviously the logos that they need on there, so, and a bit of writing and the serial number. And this selfie stick, I have to say, is in a matte black finish. Very well put together and feels great in the hand. We'll put a phone in there to show. Now this is my son's iPhone SE, and fits that. Now it can fit up to large phones. I'll extend it out to show you from the SE. So it can fit very large phones in there. That's the maximum length, and I'd say that's about probably about 4 inch, about 3.5 inches. So it can take up to very large phones. Now I'm going to pair it. Sorry, that button is for the shutter and record button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair it. So I'm just going to go into my phone. Now I'm going to go into Bluetooth. And now I'm going to press the button here and keep my finger down on it. And what we've got is no charge. Okay folks, what it is, there's no charge, so I'm going to just charge that up. Hold on, there's a little bit of charge in there, it looks like. Hold on. No, there's no charge. So what I'm going to do is charge that up. Giving it some charge now, and as you can see, I'll just keep my finger down on the button for about 5 seconds, and you can see it comes up here. First it will come up as keyboard, but you can see now it says there, I'll bring it close to the camera, it says Anker selfie stick. So if I click on that, and it is now connected, and the button stops glowing from red to blue, and we got a blue button. Now if I go into photos, now I'm into photos here, and I will take a photograph of that. So if I try and get it into picture, that's it. By pressing the button, as you hear, it takes the picture. And I'll bring it to video and do the same again, and as you can see, it's videoing. As you can see that it's videoing, and now I've stopped it. So I'll come out of that, and I'd say this is a very good selfie stick. Now as for the length, I'll extend it out. And you can't see at the moment, but it does go out quite a long way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the phone over to another stand to show you the actual length. Okay, with the selfie stick extended, it is 23 inches from this point to that point. So it's 23 inches. That doesn't include the handle, so it's 23 inches it extends to, and it extends in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections, as you can see. And you don't have to twist to hold that extension at all. It's a bit like the old car aerials. As you pull it out, it will stay in its position, and that is black as well. So as you can see, it's quite a very good selfie stick and quite long. So as you can see, very good selfie stick. And to adjust the position of the phone, simply turn that knob there, that screw there, and you can angle the position. Oh, I just took it off there. You can angle the position of your phone. Just take that off. You can angle the position of your phone as much as you want, and then simply turn to tight, which is quite good. You don't have to turn it that much to tighten it at all. And as you can see, you can have the position of your phone. So to bring it back down, simple mechanism, push up the phone, closes that down, and then all you do, simply retract the stick, and then that closes down over the button. So as you can see, there's the button, and the button will come off. It won't permanently stay on. It does has a timer on the button, so if it's not in use, or when you leave the Bluetooth off your phone, it will after time come off and simply close down like so, and that's it. Now you get, with the charge, when you fully charge this up, it will take about an hour to charge this fully. When you first get it, it'll take longer, but after that subsequent charging, after that will take an hour to fully charge this, and you get 20 hours of use out of this. So it's 20 hours of battery life you get in this, which is not bad. And as I says, it comes down to that shape. So that is my review of the, oh, by the way, it's not waterproof, so do not take this into water because it's not waterproof. So that is my review of the Anker, no, this is probably back to front, of the Anker Bluetooth selfie stick, which I think is worth its money. So you're looking for a nice, neat selfie stick to take on holiday, and lightweight. It is lightweight. You can't go wrong with this selfie stick. So I hope you like my video. Do us a favor, please like, please subscribe, and leave a note down in the comment section about it. Thanks.